Alrighty, today is the day. This beautiful broad is going home with me. And I might even give her breakfast in the morning if I like the way things go. I'm just waiting on a little boy to get here. They texted me when I was at the house and said he was on his way, and I gave him about a probably 20-minute head start, but it takes time, I understand that. So just waiting on a little boy to get here, but you see they've got the tire pumped up again, ready to go. And it's pumped up good and tight. I ought to take the opportunity to go around the thing with a spray bottle if I had one and look for a leak. But we'll just have to see. We'll get it pumped up. We'll have to see how long it lasts. What's funny is now they got it pumped up real tight and it makes it look like the back one is lower. But anyway, I did check. Actually, the air hose, I had a spare air hose at the house. Oh, look at there. There's my little boy. He's here. So had a spare air hose at the house, and lucky it actually fits this truck, so I know I'll be able to air my tire up on my own if I need to. So yeah, that's it. We'll get her loaded on the trailer here as soon as he gets backed in and separated out, and we'll be headed to the farm. I apologize for the butt crack over there, but we got her loaded. And I say we, I should say I. So I'm proud to say that I actually drove it on the trailer, which is a bit nerve-wracking when your truck is almost wider than the trailer. Had it up there once, had to back it off and kind of re-square it. It's hard to get these things square on the trailer because, of course, since they pivot in the middle of the body, any little turn you make to move the front over also moves the back over in the opposite direction. So you can see how she sits up there. That tire hangs off about a foot, and this tire is hanging off even further, but I guess he didn't feel it was necessary to put out. You know, he could have folded out all of his catwalks here, or extensions, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, it's definitely a bit nerve-wracking crawling that big puppy up onto the high end of the trailer. But they're getting her chained down now, and then we'll get pushed back up and be headed to the farm.